Hey guys, you know that screencast that's 17 minutes long on the intro to forensics? Not on the quiz tomorrow, just this stuff, all right? We will have a test eventually on chapter 1, but not on Friday. So folks, we went over the Lyle and Louise information in class. You can pause this video if you need to look at this information. I'm going to scroll down to the course information sheet. Oh, there is one thing I wanted to add. Other information that I forgot to mention in class today. The tumbling water land development Ford Ranger truck was found in New Mexico, and there was some trace evidence inside. It had been broken into. That won't be on the quiz since we forgot to talk about it today. But moving on. Folks, if you miss school, I know if you're sick, you probably don't want to go check work online. So I understand. But if you miss for any other reason or you're not that sick, tech issues, you've got an appointment, please go figure out what you missed that day. You can get some work done. You're better off getting caught up before you return to class, since I don't see you for in between a number of days. So folks, what you want to do is check the slate that is on Canvas and on Google Classroom. We're going to pop over here. You might want to take a look on the stream, what's going on. You can see what is new that's been posted, but I like the classwork page better. Granted, I've got some drafts on here. It looks a little bit different, but look at the icons. This little clipboard, that tells you there's an assignment. This little bookmark is just some resource material, or maybe there's a question mark. Take a look to see, did you not turn in anything that's listed over here? And if so, make sure you do it. Another place that you can go is your calendar on Google Classroom. See what's coming up, see what's due. You can arrow over and look at future weeks. You can also look at your to review. And after you've done all that, please send me an email if you have any questions. Don't email me first. Send me an email after you see what you missed, and then I can help you with your questions there. So folks, if you're having tech issues and you miss a live lesson, I shouldn't just see you disappear into thin air. We need to get this fixed. You want to email the help desk and copy me and a parent or guardian to show me that you're trying to troubleshoot. Also, on our class page, go to classwork, down at the bottom in the resources unit, technology troubleshooting tips. Here is also the weekly slate. So let's get things working out. You want to budget 20 to 30 minutes a night. It's not often going to be that long. But do keep this in mind. Let's say I assign something and it's to be worked on over 2 nights. Usually that means it's 2 nights worth of homework. So you may be looking at 50 minutes of homework. Make sure you budget that into your schedule if you opt to not work on forensics that first night. You are working in breakout rooms and groups, you absolutely can share data and ideas, but whatever you turn in terms of written analysis and results needs to be in your own words. It is an integrity violation if you have the same answers as a classmate, and you would end up with a 0. 20% off each day an assignment is late, so you have 4 days for the days that we actually see each other to turn work in. Actually, the 4 days that let me start that over. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays count as class days. So if something was due Wednesday and you don't turn it in until the following Tuesday, that's 2 days late. Tests are required to be done in class. So if you are absent, make sure you get that absence cleared. Otherwise, an unexcused absence could result in a 0 on the test. If you have to make up an exam and you miss the makeup time, that also would be a 0. Obviously, things come up, send me an email, let's work something out before that is a concern. And assignments are due at 9:30 in the morning when class for the whole day begins. Might not be your forensics class that starts that day. With the exception of Wednesdays, there will be assignments that may be due at 3 p.m. That's so I can take attendance. So if you're unsure, go to the slate. You need to choose your presentation topic and date of presentation by today at 3. So everything else would be due at 9:30. Have a good one.